Is a building constructed in 2015 safe from asbestos regulations? No. This is a mistake building owners make all the time, and it's a fast track to hefty fines from EPA or your state DEQ. I'm Chris White with Wynn Consulting Engineers in Baton Rouge. We constantly get asked if an asbestos survey is actually required before a renovation or demolition project. The answer is a definitive yes. Under the federal Asbestos NESHAP regulation, you must thoroughly inspect affected areas before disturbing any materials, regardless of the building's age. When it comes to compliance, you have two choices. First, you can hire an accredited inspector to sample the materials so that you'll know exactly what you're dealing with. Or you can legally assume everything contains asbestos. But choosing to assume means removing and disposing of all debris as regulated waste, which blows your budget and delays your timeline. The EPA doesn't accept "I didn't know" as an excuse. An unexpected asbestos discovery mid-project can shut down your site for weeks. Professional survey is the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. Don't risk a shutdown. Click the link below to schedule a quick compliance consultation and grab a copy of our renovation and demolition checklist. Let's keep your project on schedule. Thanks for watching.